This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power. Make sure both AirPods and the case have charge, because a dead bud looks like hardware failure. Next, inspect and carefully clean charging contacts. Grime blocks current so one bud won't charge. Once done, close the case for about 15 seconds and reopen it next to your phone to force a quick reconnect. If the pairing prompt appears, try playing audio. This rules out simple connection hiccups before deeper fixes. You now perform a manual reset to clear stubborn pairing data. With both AirPods in the case and the lid open, press and hold the setup button until the LED flashes amber then white. Make sure to forget the AirPods in your device's Bluetooth list so the next pairing is clean. Repair them and immediately check audio balance and individual bud output in accessibility or sound settings, because software-level balance can mute one side even when hardware is fine. You finish by testing playback on a second device to confirm whether the problem is your phone or the AirPod itself. Also swap left and right in your ears to verify hardware. Make sure both your phone and AirPods firmware are up to date, since updates often resolve intermittent audio problems. If one bud still won't work after these steps, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. Troubleshooting tip: carefully clean the charging contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.